to see Facebook password. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Then click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen, which will open all these options. In here, simply click on Manage your Google account. Then scroll down in here and click on Security and Sign In. After you click on Security and Sign In, scroll down at the bottom and you'll find Password Manager. Click on it. In here, you will find Facebook.com. Click on it. Then it will lead you to this page. In here, you will find the I like option. Simply click on it and you will find your Facebook password. Also, your Facebook password will only be saved here if you have saved it earlier. This is how to see Facebook password. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. For more, got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.